Yo, what's going on, traders? Stockerfella back at it, doing a video late night tonight. We're gonna talk about Snapchat tonight and why am I long Snapchat, you guys? Let me take you to the charts real fast. What's up to all my traders? What's up all my subs? How's everybody doing? Let me show you guys real fast. Let's get into this. This is Snapchat's past 1 year, you guys know. If I zoom it in for the past couple weeks, the past 14, 15 days, this thing been on a hard downtrend, right? Today's been the first green day in Snapchat. But looking at this from a technical point, you guys, doing technical analysis, this thing landed on support. Not exact support, but landed around support right here. Let me show you a drawing. I know I have a lot of lines, you guys, but I've been trading Snapchat for a while. Make a different color, you guys, so you guys can see it a little clearer. You can see right here. This is support, you guys, right here. This thing landed on perfect support and bounced today. But another thing that it did today is got a couple analyst upgrade. So this morning this thing got analyst upgrade from a couple different analysts, you guys. So when analysts upgrade, you guys, a lot of people come in and there's a lot of momentum. Another thing is we have earnings tomorrow on Snapchat, you guys. And the thing is, what I was reading here now, why I was looking at the fundamentals. And you guys know I don't look at fundamentals a lot, but sometimes when I look at earnings play, I have to look at fundamentals. I always tell you guys, don't hold through earnings and it's gambling. But if you can control your risk, like me, I play a lot of earnings plays, you guys, but I have my finger on the trigger and I'm watching it really close just in case. When the earnings pops out, just in case I was wrong, I'm out right away. So I'm out right away. But if it goes in my favor, I hold for a while. That's the good things about earnings plays. But you guys don't ever follow my trades. But if you guys do play earnings, always be ready with the finger on the trigger or have automatic stop loss. Even those, if it happens too quick, those might not even get filled. Sometimes it happens too quick and it'll go straight through your stop loss, you guys. So another thing is, let me show you guys right here. You guys, we got 2 analysts upgrade today. And then when I was reading this, when I was reading the news, this is I'm gonna go take you guys to Yahoo Finance. Snapchat 17. Wall Street looks for Snap to report third quarter revenue of $435 million, up 46% from the year ago period on earnings front. Analysts predicted a adjusted 5% loss versus a 12% loss for the third quarter. The Snap earnings report will report after the market close. So they're saying, you guys, is that that Snapchat's doing way better. The reason why, when I was looking at the key statistics on Yahoo Finance, it shows Snapchat grew 203 million users over the past quarter. So they grew 200 million million users. So they do advertising. They probably got more revenues, and then analysts are saying this. So in the worst case scenario, I know, not 100% sure, but I have a good feeling at least by tomorrow we'll be testing $15.59 or $16. Another thing is, I always tell you guys, line up multiple reasons why you want to buy a stock. Another thing is, it has a gap to fill strategy, you guys. If we look at the a little gap right here, this is a lot of traders look at this. This is a gap to fill strategy. We got from $13, $14 all the way up to $15, $16, $17. We got a few gaps here. But the highest gap we got is to $18. I wouldn't be surprised if this touches $18, $19, $20 tomorrow after earnings. I could be wrong, you guys, but I did my due diligence, you guys, and everything's telling me it's a long. So Just wanted to throw this out there, you guys. Do your own due diligence. If you do feel like, you guys see where I got in right here? Why did I get in right here? Let me show you today's chart. Why did I get in right here? I was watching this all day, you guys. But why did I get in right here? Why didn't I get right here? Or why didn't I get in right here? Or why didn't I get in right here? Because I wanted to make sure this thing held all day. I didn't want to see too much shells. I was like, okay, if a stock goes up really good and it holds its highs, it's usually going to morning spike or have a continuation for the next. There's like momentum going up. There's no sellers. There's people who locked in profits, but the stock held up all day. Didn't even get back to VWAP. I was waiting for it to get back, and never got back to VWAP. I think I'm up a few hundred on this trade. I'm up, $140 now? My average is, let me show you guys. I think Thinkerson was weird when it comes to show you the profit and the averages and all that, you guys. Average price is $14.55, so I'm up more than $140. That's just probably overnight. I was up like $200-300 earlier. You guys could do the math on that. But like I was saying, if you guys do want to buy it, like you want to wait for a good dip buy where it holds support at. If it touches VWAP a couple times, you guys, tomorrow, and it holds and it tests a few times. And we have seller failure, like the sellers try once, try twice, can't get under it. It's a good long position. If it comes down to the 14 area and it holds, and the same thing happens, but you want to be patient, you guys, and at the same time, watch volume. Buy it at support only if it holds. Only if it holds. Wait for it. Wait for confirmation, you guys. And just know tomorrow's earnings, so be careful. Get out. A lot of people will be getting out. Sometimes the stock will be doing good and crash on earnings, you guys, even if it does good, because a lot of people already bought. So, yeah, watch yourself, you guys. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. You guys know my email, mytradecoach@gmail.com. I don't know if there's a www in there, but you guys know what it is. mytradecoach23@gmail.com. Any questions, hit me up, smack a like, subscribe to the channel, you guys. I always give out the best alerts and the best technical analysis. You guys know the motto, plan the trade, trade the damn plan. See you guys in the AM. Peace out.